So it's 3 sides of a rectangular paddock are to be fenced, the 4th side being an existing straight water drain. Okay, so that's the existing side. I'm going to make 3-sided rectangular paddock. All of these green parts adds up to 1,000 meters. So if I want to maximize the area, what would the dimensions be? Well, let's start labeling some things. My x is going to be, let x be the width of paddock. That means obviously this is the width as well, rather than, now this is a smarter choice because rather than naming this x, it's just easier because then we have one unknown of y. So y will be length. Maybe you want to use L for length. Now we never want two symbols, so basically what we want to do is figure out what y is in terms of x, and this is where this information is very useful. So basically if I add all the perimeter, so if I figure out the perimeter, it's going to be x plus y plus x, which can be simplified to 2x plus y. So this equals to 1,000. So all I have to do is rearrange to get y by itself, so I can write my equation in terms of x. So all I have to do is get rid of minus 2x both sides. So therefore my y equals 1,000 minus 2x, and I'm just going to replace that into my y. So oh sorry, I'm not using y, am I? I'm using L, and then I decided to. It's not bad. So let's just make sure that's consistent. So my L over here is 1,000 take 2x. If you use this sort of problem solving technology a lot, you don't basically have to do all this, you can skip it, but obviously it's still good to show that way in the test as well. So we have, I've got my x, which is the width, and I've got my length in terms of x, so I have one unknown variable, which is the x. So now I kind of skip along to, I can't find the x straight away. I need to come along and figure out my formula for length. Sorry, my area. Area is length times width for a rectangle. So my length is 1,000 take 2x, make sure you got a bracket. My width is x. If I rearrange this, I get x bracket 1,000 take 2x meters squared. So I've got to always write my units. As you can see, this is a quadratic formula. And because I want to maximize this area, I can use my idea that my x-coordinate when it's maximized is negative b over 2a. So all I have to do is expand it first. Analyze my a, b, and c. And then chuck it into your formula. Negative 1,000, 2 times minus 2, 1,000 divided by minus 4, which is 50. No, that's not true. 250 meters. So basically my width is 250 meters. Now all I have to do is find my length. Well, my length, good thing I know what it is in terms of x. 1,000 take 2, bracket 250. That's 1,000 take 500, which is 500 meters. So this maximizes my area, and I've just got to write a sentence about it. So easiest way is to rewrite the last sentence. It says which dimensions should be used for the paddock to maximize its area. So I'll just rearrange that sentence. Therefore, to maximize the area of the paddock, the length and width will be, so because I wrote length, I write the length first, 500 meters times 250 meters. Done. That's my answer.